You know there's more inside you, more potential, more power. I see it in your eyes. But most people never become their best selves. They get comfortable, they settle for average, they let fear hold them back. Listen to me, that's not you. You're meant for more. In this video, I'm going to show you how to break free from that cycle, step by step, and become your better version, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Most people, they're sleepwalking through life, living the same day on repeat. Wake up, scroll through social media, go to work, come home, eat, sleep, and they wonder why they're not happy, why they're not fulfilled. It's time to wake up. Becoming better starts with awareness. Right now ask yourself, what am I doing today that's serving the future me? Are my habits today building the life I dream of? If the answer is no, it's time to make a change. It's time to break the autopilot and take control of your life. Let me tell you something. Motivation is fleeting. It comes and goes like the tide. You can't rely on motivation alone. You need something stronger. You need habits. Habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. They're the small things you do consistently that create massive change over time. Start small. Wake up 30 minutes earlier and use that time to invest in yourself. Read 10 pages of a book. Get your body moving. Make one healthy choice with your food. These small habits, stacked on top of each other, day after day, will create the extraordinary life you desire. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Look around you. Who are you surrounding yourself with? Are they people who lift you up or drag you down? If your circle complains, if they settle, if they're content with mediocrity, guess what? You will be too. It's time to audit your circle. Surround yourself with people who are hungry for growth, who push you to be your best, who inspire you to reach for your dreams. Remember, you can't soar with the eagles if you're surrounded by turkeys. Chapter 4. Embrace discomfort. Here's the truth. Growth only lives outside your comfort zone. If you want to become extraordinary, you have to be willing to do the things that make you uncomfortable. Wake up early when it's hard. Train your body even when you're tired. Say no to distractions. Say yes to challenges. Every time you step outside your comfort zone, you expand your capacity for greatness. You become more resilient. You become unstoppable. Chapter 5. Heal what hurts. You can't build a strong, powerful future on a foundation of pain and trauma. You need to heal the wounds of the past. Take time to reflect. What are you holding on to that's no longer serving you? Forgive yourself. Forgive others. Let go of the baggage that's weighing you down. When you heal what hurts, you create space for love, for joy, for true fulfillment. You become whole, inside and out. Chapter 6. Build a vision. Where are you going in life? If you don't have a clear vision, you'll wander aimlessly. It's time to get crystal clear on your goals, your dreams, your aspirations. Ask yourself, who do I want to be? What does my ideal day look like? Write it down. Read it every single day. Let it fuel your fire. Your vision is your roadmap to success. It's the guiding light that will lead you through the darkness and into the extraordinary life you were born to live. Outrow Unleash Your Potential. Your better version is not some distant, unattainable goal. It's you, with discipline, with direction, with a burning desire to grow. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be consistent. Every time you choose growth, every time you push yourself, every time you step outside your comfort zone, you evolve. So ask yourself, what would the best version of me do today? Then go do it. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's grow together.